So now the CDC is telling us, yes, wear your face mask when you're going out, but there are no face masks to be found, right? So what do? We can make one really simply out of a handkerchief, a coffee filter, and some hair ties. Okay, so take that handkerchief, you fold it half, and then you take that coffee filter, place it down here, and then fold that handkerchief in half one more time. Okay, take the hair bands, insert them on each end, like so. Okay, so now you're going to fold the ends over the hair bands. Just open up that flap now and tuck the other side, fold it, the other end into it. Okay, pull your bands out, and voila, you have your protection mask. Safe to go outside now.